Meaning of green card.
Green card.
Green card.
Green card.
Green card. A green card is an official document that allows a non-citizen to permanently live and work in the United States. It is also known as a permanent resident card. The card signifies that the holder has been granted immigration benefits, such as lawful permanent residency, by the U.S. government. Green card holders enjoy many of the same rights and privileges as U.S. citizens, including the ability to travel freely throughout the United States and to petition for certain relatives to also obtain green cards. The process to obtain a green card can be lengthy and complex.